time to go home. It's time to go home. Thank you.
To all units, it is my sincere pleasure to announce that as of 11:17 hours on this day, after 32 and a half years of service, my father, Southbridge Police Officer Duane Ledoux, is retiring and has given his final Code 5.
It is my honor to acknowledge this Code 5, to set free a man who has sacrificed so much of his time for all of us, so that he may spend the rest of his life discovering new craft beer, exploring this beautiful country, and most important of all, chasing glory.
Love you.
Do you think he would miss it?
Oh.
零视频 APP 等你下载。